Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Dion. On this occasion, I will explain above effort to maintain national identity in the era of globalization. The identity of a nation is a factor that really determines the identity of a nation or a country, which in principle in the identity that signifies the existence of a nation in the international environment, starting for the concept above. It is very important for every nation to be able to maintain its national identity for the sake of the nation's existence and the nation's self-esteem, identity, and honor. As for the current era of globalization, it's human adjustment for each country in order to maintain its existence as a sovereign country. Likewise, with the national identity of a nation that must be maintained so as not to experience a shift in the value of the national identity. Globalization is currently moving at a very fast pace. Advances in information and communication technology have made human relations easier and more seamless. Everyone can talk and meet face to face with various people from other parts of the world. With the progress in this field of technology and information affect the existence of the other fields. For example, business, transportation, development, education and culture. The influence of the progress facilitated the process of business transaction and transportation so that it will automatically facilitate the entry of foreign culture which will affect national identity. In national identity, culture is one of the determining factors for national identity. At this time, the local culture is slowly starting to change as there are even certain parts that are missing. For example, some food menu and local cultural arrangement are starting to feel foreign to be applied, such as the decision model for the region is starting to be abandoned and the national cultural decision format is used. Even though regional cultural wisdom is also able to solve various kinds of the problems. We can see this shift especially in urban communication that have experienced acculturation from various cultures. Because urban society is heterogeneous, an example of the can be seen at the curtain wedding held in urban areas where wives and grooms are sometimes found not wearing their traditional clothes, but wearing Western style clothes such as suit and dress. Another example can be seen in the public internet is band culture and K-pop music rather than their own. In the current of globalization, there are so many challenges faced by various countries, so there are so many demands to adapt to this condition. It also includes challenges in maintaining nation identity. To deal with this, it is necessary to have a strategy to maintain nation identity, which is the identity of the nation, including 1. Using the correct local language and Indonesian in life. Always prioritize buying original domestic product. 3. Apply Pancasila value in everybody's life. Learn about the arts and culture of various regions in Indonesia. That is a brief review of effort to maintain national identity from the threat of the globalization. It is our great hope that we can maintain and preserve that existing culture in order to determine our identity from the perspective of outsider. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.